Hey everybody, Heather from Hooked on Pickin. This is part 6 of my via trading review on what I got on these makeup lots. So this is a Maybelline lot. Unfortunately, all of this is restricted to sell on Amazon. And so there are a few things that I can merch fulfill, which means I can send that, or I can ship them myself. And there are a few items that I'm gonna try to do that with, but let me give you the numbers on what this cost me and where I think I'm at, because this is going to be kind of what I think I'm at profit-wise. So I paid $337.50 for this box, $35 approximately in shipping, $372.50 is my total investment. 250 items, as you can see, they're all laid out, which makes it about $1.49 per item. Now, I'm going to go through a few things and what I think that I can make total with this lot. So basically everything has to go on eBay, with the exception of a few items that I'll talk about that I may decide to merch fulfill. So we've got blushes, a lot of blushes that are over here in this corner, and they range anywhere from $2, some I can make $6.50, some I can make 75 cents, and then there's also a bronzer in this batch that I think I can make $10 on, which I have about 3 of them. And so then I move over to eyeshadows, which are some of these and some of these smaller boxes. These are the eyeshadows. Eyeshadows, I've got turquoise, linen, vanilla, perfect pastels, golden halo, silver lining. Most of them are running 50 cents to $1. And so they're really, really not worth it. I'm going to put them in an eBay lot and that should help me. Okay, I've got some lip gloss, which is right here. This is Cherry Kiss lip gloss. I may be able to get about $5 a piece, but it's got a real high sales rank around 300,000. And so I'm going to probably go eBay with that rather than Amazon, because even if I merch fulfill it, it's not going to move very fast. And who's going to pay $5 for lip gloss? So I've got these 6, plus I've got some in a box over here to make a total of 10. I think right here is my other box. It's like a peach color. Okay, so then I've got regular glosses right here. And I've got some lip glosses here. So those are running anywhere from $1 to 50 cents. So again, not very many. I've got a multitude of them, as you can see. And so those I'm probably going to put on eBay as well. So I've got some eyeliner. I got one taupe eyeliner, which is right here. That was worth $3. I've got a lip gloss, Treat Me Sweet, which I believe is this one here. That's only worth $1. I've got a lot of these over here, baby lips ones. These are all going for basically $1 a piece. And so I've got 28 of these. So basically, actually they're going for about 50 cents a piece. So I'm only gonna make $14 back on just these baby lips ones. I've got these Falsies mascara. I've got 7 of those. Those are going for about $1 a piece. So there's $7, hopefully. And then I've got these nail stickers, which are only going for about 50 cents a piece as well. And so I basically have $2 in that one. I've got a age lifter, which is this stuff here. I've got 19 of this color. And they're going for about $3 a piece for one of them. And then the same thing, this is a caramel color, and they're going for $3 a piece. They have a decent sales rank, around 235,000, but once you ship it yourself, even if you merch fulfill it, you're only gonna make about $1. So I always calculate in about $3 of shipping, because anything that goes first class is going to be anywhere from $250 to $350, depending on how much it weighs. I've got these were kind of really my shining star, one of my few shining stars in this batch. I'm going to try to merch fulfill these. There's 18 ebony black eyeliner pencils. And they have 102,000 sales rank, which is really, really good. It's on, I think, a slow-moving ASIN, or it's restricted, so I can't send it into the warehouse, but they're going to be about $5 a piece. And so right there, that's a good one, 18 of them, $5 a piece. I've got a black smoke pencil that is going in a 2-pack, and that's also $5 a piece. And then I've got a spark eyeliner over here that's in one of these boxes. Really high sales rank, so that's going to go on eBay, only $1 a piece. I've only got 2 of those. Okay, I've got these Whisper lipsticks, which are about 100,000 sales rank, but they're only going to make me about 50 cents a piece. So they're going to do a lot better inside of an eBay lot. I've also got these 40 lipsticks are going to be, they're called, these 40 lipsticks. There's 500,000 sales rank, only about 50 cents a piece. So I'm only gonna make 20 bucks back on if I sell all of them, and that's for the price I want. These are Circle Shadow Tattoo gloss eyeshadows. This one is a blue one, as you can see. They've got a really good sales rank, 110,000, but I've got 31, and they're in various different colors, and they're all ranging about 50 cents a piece. And so maybe 15 bucks just in the eyeshadows alone. And so what I think, so total, if I got the Amazon prices, if I merge fulfilled everything, I'm looking at probably $432.50 on this whole lot. But I paid $372.50, and that gives me $62 of profit, which is a lot of work for the amount of items I've got here. So what I had thought about doing is I've got two options here. I could split everything up into 5 different lots, 50 items a piece, and just make a variety. And that way I've got someone who's fighting over the lipstick and also fighting over the foundations. The problem is my lots are going to be very similar, and so I may overrun the market with them and not get back the money I need. And what I would like to do is, if I wanted to just make my money back, I'm going to have to make each lot sell for $75 a piece, which may not be feasible. So what I might do to alleviate my stress level is maybe take these, put them in merch, and then everything else just do one giant lot of over 200 Maybelline makeup pieces. The nice thing about via trading is everything is in good condition, but unfortunately Maybelline is restricted on Amazon. They have cornered the market. Third-party sellers like me cannot sell it. So if I put everything in one lot, I can maybe start the bidding at $399 and hope that I can make my money back. This may be a loss for me, but I had to try it and see how well I did. I've done well on some of the other lots I've gotten from via trading, but this gives you an idea of what I can do as far as Amazon flipping it for Maybelline. Looks like I'm a beneficial. eBay flipping it. I'm gonna look up each individual item on eBay and see, there might be 1 or 2 that are really going at a high cost on eBay, because you can't, as a third-party seller, sell them on Amazon. So the limit might be smaller on Amazon. So I'll look into that, do some research, let you know how it's going. And remember, in the end, Jesus wins.